Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is Phrasal now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today you're going to learn few interesting phrasal verbs. Friends, what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are a set of 2 or 3 words that include a verb with a preposition or an adverb. Number 1. Bring up. Bring up means to look after a child until he or she becomes an adult. The related words are brings up, bringing up, and brought up. Number 2. Call off. Call off means to cancel or to decide that something will not happen. The related words are calls off, calling off, and called off. Number 3. Cheer up. Cheer up means to feel encouraged and happier, or to cause someone to feel this way. The related words are cheers up, cheering up, and cheered up. Number 4. Cut in. Cut in means to interrupt someone who is speaking. The related words are cuts in and cutting in. Number 5. Get back to. Get back to someone or something means to return to someone or something at a later time because you were busy earlier. The related words are gets back to, getting back to, and got back to. Number 6. Given. Given means to stop competing or arguing and accept that you cannot win. The related words are gives in, giving in, and gave in. Number 7. Give up. Give up means to stop doing something that you do regularly. The related words are gives up, giving up, and gave up. Number 8. Go ahead. Go ahead means to start or continue to do something, especially after waiting for permission. The related words are goes ahead, going ahead, went ahead, and gone ahead. Number 9. Grow up. Grow up means to change from being a baby or young child to being an older child or adult. The related words are grows up, growing up, grew up, and grown up. Number 10. Hang out. Hang out means to spend time with someone or alone in a particular place. Hang out also refers to hang wet clothes outside to dry. The related words are hangouts, hanging out, and hung out. Number 11. Hold on. Hold on means to tell someone to stop or to wait or to listen or to hold something tightly. The related words are holds on, holding on, and held on. Number 12. Hang up. Hang up means to end a call. Hang up on someone means to end a call on the phone, especially if it's before the other person is ready. Number 13. Payback. Payback means to give someone the same amount of money that you borrowed from them. The related words are pays back, paying back, and paid back. Number 14. Put out. Put out means to extinguish or to make something stop burning. The related words are puts out and putting out. Number 15. Put on. Put on means to start wearing something or to spread a substance on something. The related words are puts on and putting on. Number 16. Work out. Work out means to solve a problem or to do physical exercise. The related words are works out, working out, and worked out. Stay tuned to Mask English tutorials, guys. See you soon with amazing topics. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and ShareChat. Thank you.